Troubleshoot your garbage disposal. Is your garbage disposal not working? Most garbage disposal issues are easy to solve. Here are a few things you can do to get it working again. First, if the water is draining but the garbage disposal won't turn on, it could be an electrical issue. 1. Make sure the power switch is turned off. Then try pressing the reset button on the garbage disposal, usually located on the bottom of the unit. 2. If that doesn't work, unplug the garbage disposal from the power outlet and check the electrical breaker box to see if a breaker has tripped. If it has, flip the breaker to restore power to the outlet. 3. Plug the disposal back into the outlet and flip the switch to turn the disposal on. Hopefully, the disposal is now running. Sometimes garbage disposal's blades can get jammed. If you turn the disposal on and hear the motor humming but the blades aren't turning, there's probably something blocking the blades. Here's how to fix the issue. 1. First, be safe. Always make sure the power to the disposal is off. 2. With the power off, look into the drain and try to see what's blocking the blades. 3. Carefully remove the blockage using pliers or tongs. Avoid using your hands. 4. Next, restore power to the disposal and turn it on while running water down the drain. If this worked, you're good to go. If not, you may need to try a couple of other things. Make sure the disposal is turned off. Find the small reset button, usually on the bottom of the disposal, and press it firmly. Now check if the disposal is working. If it's still not working, you'll need to try manually rotating the blades. 1. You'll need a garbage disposal wrench or a 5/16-inch Allen wrench depending on the type of disposal. 2. Shut off power to the disposal. 3. Insert the Allen wrench into the port at the bottom of the unit and turn it back and forth to free up any obstructions. 4. If you have a Moen garbage disposal, you'll need a special tool that goes down the drain and turns the blades from the top of the unit. Once you've cleared the jam, restore power and test the disposal. If it hums but doesn't spin, repeat the steps to loosen any remaining blockages. If your disposal still isn't working after all this, it may need professional repair or replacement. For Progress Residential residents, simply request maintenance online and we'll get this taken care of for you.